Ostra Pro Espresso machine. Initial startup and operation. This machine requires a dedicated 110-volt, 20-amp circuit. Pour-over design means there is an internal water reservoir. Filtered water is required for this machine. There is a low-level water alarm in the reservoir that will sound when the water level gets too low. On the very first start of the machine, the boiler is empty and will need to be filled. With the reservoir filled with filtered water and proper power connected, turn on main power switch. The pump will run for 20 seconds and turn off. Turn off main power and wait 3 seconds. Turn power back on. The pump will run again. Repeat this process for 5 to 6 cycles to fill the boiler with water. On the 5th or 6th time, the pump will stop and there will be an audible click. The orange and green lights will turn on. The boiler is now beginning to heat. Open the steam wand by turning the steam knob counterclockwise. It will take 12 to 15 minutes to reach operating pressure. During the warming process, you may hear and see steam coming from the inside of the machine. This is normal and should stop after a few seconds. When you see steam starting to come out of the wand, turn the knob clockwise to close the steam valve. When the pressure gauge shows 16 psi and the orange light has turned off, the machine is ready for use. Now that the initial fill of the boiler has been done, you will not have to cycle the machine multiple times on daily startup. When the power switch is turned on, the pump may or may not run for a few seconds before the lights turn on and the machine will begin to warm up. Turn steam knob counterclockwise to release a small amount of steam to clear any debris or water from steam wand. Place the steam wand tip in the pitcher of milk. Open steam wand. Close steam wand when desired temperature has been reached. After removing the pitcher of milk, release steam from the wand to clear any remaining milk. Use a rag and wipe the milk from the outside of the steam wand. Fill portafilter with grounds. Install portafilter into head by lining the ears with the slots on the group head and rotating the portafilter handle to the right until snug. Place cup under spout of portafilter. Turn on brew switch. Turn off brew switch. Rotate portafilter handle to the left and remove portafilter. Replacing the basket in the portafilter with the blank filter for back flushing. Using a flat head screwdriver, gently pry up the edge of the basket. Remove the basket. Place the blank basket in the portafilter and press it into place. Pour a small amount of cleaning powder into the blank filter. Install the portafilter into the group head. Turn the brew switch on for 5 seconds, off for 3 seconds for 5 cycles. Remove and clean out the portafilter. Reinstall the clean portafilter with the blank filter into the group head and cycle the machine again. On for 5 seconds, off for 3 seconds, until clear water is coming out from under the group head. Soak the steam wand in a solution of milk frothing cleaner and water for 10 to 15 minutes. Cycle the steam valve in the cleaner to help break loose any debris in the steam wand. Remove pitcher and open steam wand to blowout wand. Rinse steam wand in a pitcher of clean water. Wipe down steam wand with a rag.